Hey, Salad here, and welcome to another web design tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to go over images again. Okay, so we all know how to make an image, right? We make an image tag, we give it a source attribute, we put in the path name, and that's it. Voila, we have an image, right? If we want to edit the width and height, we can just style it with CSS or the style attribute. So. But there's a couple other cool things we can do. First of all, let's just go over how to get images from other servers. So right now this picture is just on my local computer, right? It's in this image folder right next to my website right here. Okay, but say we want to get a different image. So if we go to Google, let's get a spaceship, right? Okay, let's go to images and let's get a nice spaceship. Oh look, this NASA spaceship looks pretty cool. Okay, so let's go view image. Come on. Okay, there we go. And we have our image. So I'm going to copy that link, go back to our website, go back to Notepad++, go to our source attribute, and then paste that link inside the source attribute, save it, go back to our website, refresh it, and now it's the rocket ship. Simple as that. So that's all you have to do to get a picture from another server. You just have to do HTTP, you just have to get the link basically and paste it in the source instead of the path. That's basically it. Okay, so the next thing is alt text. So there's another attribute we can add called ALT, short for alt or alternative. This basically helps you describe the image. So you can say a NASA spaceship picture. Okay, so what this basically does is if the browser for some reason is unable to show the image, it will show the text there. Another cool thing about it is there's software that reads the web page to the user. For example, if they're blind or something, I don't know why they would be blind and using the internet, but if, for example, if they wanted the web page read to them, the reader would read this alt text and say a NASA spaceship picture or something like that. So that's a cool thing about the alt attribute. Okay, another cool thing we can do with images is we can make the image a link itself by surrounding it with a link tag or the a tag. So if we make an href, oops, messed up. If we make an href attribute, say let's go to my website, Hobo Studios. HoboStudios.net. Oops, spelled studios wrong. Okay, there we go. We're at my website. So I'm going to copy this link, paste it here. And let's go back to my website, refresh it. And then now, as you can see, if we hover over this spaceship, our mouse cursor changes, and if we press it, I can't talk. It redirects us to my website. So that's cool. And the cool thing about HTML that you have to realize is anything that's put in between the element, it's going to affect it. So the link, I can put as many things as I want in here, and it's going to affect all of them. If any of them are clicked on, then it'll send it to this link. So you can make a link out of anything, any element you can make a link out of, basically. Unless you style it weird, and then you can't make it a link. Yeah. So, but that's a basic fundamental to understand. Anything that you put in between an element will be affected by it. So that's all for this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, favorite, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.